In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your time watched on YouTube. So if you're spending a lot of time on YouTube and you want to go ahead and see how much time you're actually spending on YouTube, you can go ahead and do that with the YouTube mobile app. So to do this, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then you can see an option that says your channel, YouTube Studio, and then the third option is time watched. If you go ahead and tap on that, it's going to load up the time that you watch YouTube for on a daily basis. So you can see I spend on average 1 hour per day or more on YouTube. And then you can go ahead and do different things. You can scroll down and then it says remind me to take a break. You can toggle that on. You can set that time. So if I go to 2 hours and then I tap on done, it's going to send me a reminder when I've watched for 2 hours. And you can remind me when it's bedtime and then so on and so forth. So it's very quick and simple to see your time watched on YouTube. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.